Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix problem when you get internet connection but you cannot browse Google Chrome. Or use Google Play Store on your VIVO V23. So in order to fix that, we'll need to open our settings and go down at the page. Now go to System, Date and Time, and enable Set Time Automatically. Now if we go back to our Google Play Store and reload the page, everything should load properly. And the same will be with our Google Chrome. We open the page, reload, and it loads normally. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.